Guys, I'm so excited. I bought myself a little post-Christmas present. I wanted to share the opening with you because it's just so much more fun to do it with you guys. I got myself the Zuru Mini Brands Fill the Fridge set with the fridge and the 2 little blind boxes, and I bought an extra 2 balls, and I've also got these really cute Aldi Mini Collectables. So I wanted to see if these were doll size. I've mocked up kind of a kitchen room, but I haven't made a kitchen yet, so I just thought I would mock up a little room here and open this together because I can't wait anymore. I want to open this so bad. So I'm really excited to do this with you guys. It does have a UV light in it because the capsules in this series have some resin with them. I'm not really keen on the resin crafts, but we'll just see how we go as we go along here. I really have the worst time with these things. I feel like this fridge is a little bit small compared to a doll, but if we were to raise it up a little bit, I think it would actually be a perfect size. And it's funny, I have actually just purchased a fridge in human size, which looks almost exactly the same as this, but in black. So let's have a look inside the fridge. What have we got in here? Oh wow, I think these are all the parts for the fridge. Oh look, egg holders and side door shelves. This is some resin, a jelly mold, a little cloche maybe. We've got our little tongs, a little plate for our jelly, and can you see in there? I think there's some tiny little maybe mandarin pieces for making our jelly. So we'll come back to that. Oh look! And we've got a little Holly Pop strawberry vanilla can and an ice scoop. These are so adorable. This must be our crisper. And what have we got in the freezer? Oh, the freezer's already set up. How adorable. So here's our ice trays, and we've got some spaces for our frozen foods. Got a bit of some dirt here, which is a bit weird because we're brand new, but anywho, that's the kind of thing that usually happens to me. Let me quickly put the fridge pieces together. Okay, so our fridge is set up and it's time to start opening our capsules. See if I can do a better job of this one, hey? Oh yeah. Oh, bingo. Oh. There's a lot in this one. Of course, we've got the little fridge magnets, which is super cute. We've got a little cup of Italian coffee here. We've got our collector's guide here. So, oh, how cute. Iconic items, luxury items. We've got our ultra rare and rare. And then our common items here. And our fridge magnets. Oh, cool. Strong start with our cooked lobster. That is kind of cool. How good is that? He needs to go in the fridge straight away. What are in our yellow packets here? So we've got Natural Choice Honey Deli Ham. Yum. Got a great little bottle of water here. That's perfect. It is actually super hot right now, and I've turned off my air conditioner because it's very loud. And I am sweating, guys, so I could really use a bottle of cold water right now. Oh, cute. Look at our little jar of oats. It looks like overnight oats, a nice healthy breakfast for the dolls. We've got a pizza here. I can't even get this one open. Guys, help me out. Are these meant to open? It seems very stuck. I also don't want to break a nail doing this either. Guys, I'm really struggling to open this one. I might have to do it off camera in a second. Lucky last package for this first capsule is, it's tiny. It's a little salami stick, pepperami. Okay, I got this one open. It looks like a Hawaiian pizza. So we got the cooked lobster, breakfast oats. Oh, does that lid come off? It does! Oh my gosh, how cute. That is adorable. We've got our cup of coffee. We got the Hawaiian pizza. We got a rare, which is the honey ham. Capsule number 2. I think I'm getting better at this, guys. second capsule and already a double. Are we gonna have a capsule full of doubles? I wonder. I don't mind. I like the idea of having a bit of clutter, but I really don't want to have a whole capsule full of doubles. Excellent. So I've got some juice. Oh dear, another double. And another double. We've got another pepperami stick. We've got another pizza, different one. Maybe I'll be able to get this one open. No, open. Ah, there we go. So what have we got here? What are these? Buffalo wings. Oh, cute. Oh, wow. It's the Baskin Robbins unicorn cake. That is so adorable. Okay, so our magnet is, what is this? It looks like maybe a breadboard, I think. More pizza. The big dinner box. Oh, this one's much easier to open. That's good to know. Okay, so we've got the mixed pizzas and breadsticks and buffalo wings. Ooh, something new. We've got our fresh fish. I'd love some veggies or fruit for the crisper. Oh, how's that? There's some eggplant, so we can pop that in our little crisper. Got another bottle of water, that's great. I mean, you can never have too much water, right? I love the feel of those little water bottles. They are kind of like rubbery feeling. I don't know if you can see the bend there, but they're not quite as plasticky. They're really more like a rubber. Oh gosh, guys, more pizza. Am I going to attempt to open this one? Oh, there we go. Okay, it's a different pizza. This looks like pepperoni. Last pouch for this capsule. What have we got? Ooh, the Hershey's chocolate sauce. Now we just need some ice cream. So we're on to our last Mini Brands capsule. We've got another bottle of water. Awesome. I was about to say, I'd love the broccoli as well. Look at that, that's so cute. I love the little broccolis. Yes, ice cream. Now we've got something to put our Hershey syrup on. Can we fit in here? Yes. Oh, that's cool. Some kombucha. This is a super healthy fridge, isn't it? Got to get our probiotics, right guys? It's a double of the pepperoni pizza. And what have we got here? Home style mashed potatoes. That's very cool. Okay, well our fridge is looking pretty well stocked. And I nearly forgot our fried egg fridge magnet. That's really cute. But actually what I'm super excited to get onto is these Aldi Mini Collectables. I've been holding on to them for just the right video, so let's get into it. I can't wait. In true Aldi style, only one layer of wrapping, which I'm a big fan of. These are actually much harder to get open. Got it. Here's our collector's guide. It says we've got 30 to collect, and these are all of our Aldi brands. So tell me, around the world, guys, are these the same brands that you get in the Aldis internationally, or are these just the Australian Aldi brands? So this is the hazelnut spread. Very sweet, no pun intended. This is so cute. These are actually my favorite, and this is like a solid box, so it's got a cardboard outer. If I get a double, I might have a look at what's inside. These fruity rings, I actually love these. I went through a period late last year where I was completely addicted, and I was having a couple of boxes of these a week. I've just noticed we've got a little notch here, which is good. Ooh, noodle snack, and it's filled. It feels like maybe there's like a little bit of sponge or something inside there. Oh, a little can of minestrone soup. Our last little packet for the first capsule. Chicken nuggets, yum. Salt and vinegar chips. Yogurt. Full cream milk. This can go in the fridge with the yogurt as well. Ice creams. I just love the weight of these rather than an empty box. They just sit so nicely. Corn kernels. This looks a little bit big. I think that's passable. What do you reckon, guys? Can't all be easy. Ooh, some oven chips or French fries for my North American viewers. Tuna! This is great, we're getting such a good variety. Ooh, I think these are like roll-ups. Another full cream milk after just talking about how we haven't had many doubles and we're getting good variety. Some more ice cream cones. I would really like to get the beans, I think that would be really cute. And these teddy tots. Capsule number 4. Ugh. More tuna. Oh, something new. We've got original spread, butter or margarine. This one, pancake mix. Whoa, this is massive. Oh, but it is meant to be big. This is Energy Max food drink, and this is like, I don't know if you guys have heard of the drink we have here in Australia called Milo. This is the Aldi version of Milo, and we do get it in big tins, so that is actually perfect. And some more French fries or chips. So we call them chips here, hot chips in Australia. Oh, I'd actually love to get the chocolate. I really hope I get that in the final capsule. Now our final capsule. Let's see how good we can get this one undone. What on earth? Another milk, another yogurt, and another corn. We're getting a few doubles here. Ooh. Ah! Oh no. More salt and vinegar chips, and lucky last one, more ice creams. Let's open up one of these doubles and see what's inside. There you go guys, it's just a little plastic block with a sticker around the outside, which I think is very cool. They almost look like a Lego brick, which is really interesting. Look at that, it is, it's like a little Lego brick that's been wrapped in the sticker packaging, which I actually think is genius because it does give the product a little bit more weight rather than just an empty cardboard box which falls over. These are really cool. Well, I'm pretty happy with those guys. I really rate these Aldi ones, and I think I'm gonna go see if I can find some more. I mean, it's tricky with Aldi, isn't it? Because they often don't carry the same stock from week to week. So it's really just a matter of luck at the time that you visit. At any rate, guys, here's the haul. What do you think? Would you be happy with this if this is what you got for your between $4 and $5 per capsule? And let me know in the comments below what's your favourite thing that we got in this haul. Buffalo wings.